Hello friends, welcome to Marsha Creatives, and today we are designing a social media advert. That is a social media poster or flyer that is meant to be used either on Instagram or Facebook or any social media platform. So before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. So right here I have my artboard. This artboard is 1080 by 1080 and the color mode is RGB. I'm using 100 resolution, and so as always, first things first is this one I'm going to use a white background. So we are not creating a background here. We just I wanted to have a white background. Then we dive into creating our advert. So I want to place in the logo. So file, place, locate where the logo is. So I have my logos right here. So I'm going to check that, then I'm going to scale this down, then I'm just going to place it right. I want it here, somewhere here at the center. So yeah, now I have my logo right there. And now the next thing we are going to do is I want to bring in an image of a lady that I'm going to use here. So I have this fine lady right here. So I want to remove the background, so just go to properties, convert this image into a layer, click yes, then remove background, then allow Photoshop to do its magic right there. So boom, that's how Photoshop has done its magic. And the next thing I want to do away with the legs. I just want her to be visible as from her waist. Yeah, so I'm going to convert this into this layer. As you can see, it has a mask, so I'm going to convert it into a smart object. Convert to smart object. So it's done. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a layer mask right there. Then I'm ensuring that my fill color is black. Then I'll come to my brush tool. The shortcut to your brush tool is letter B on your keyboard right here. Yeah, click on my brush tool, then my opacity at 100. I'm using the normal brush. I want to increase the brush size a little bit to maybe 150. 160 is okay. Then I'm just going to brush. I'm going to brush. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. Then the next thing, I want a rectangular shape below here. So just go to my rectangle shape, my rectangle tool right here, then click and drag. So obviously we must use the theme colors, that is this blue and the orange on the logo. So I'll use my eyedropper here. The shortcut to your eyedropper is letter I on your keyboard. Then I'm just going to click on this blue. Then I'm also going to click on this orange so that they appear on my swatches. Here they are. So I'm going to fill this with the orange right there. As you can see, there is my color. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I want to position this right here. And then now I'm going to bring in my text. So my type tool, then I'm going to click anywhere, just click anywhere on your artboard and start typing. So click. So yeah, I'm going to type standout. But I want them on different layers, so I'll first type stand. Then I'm going to scale that up. Then I'll come to my properties. Let me first check that. Then I want to change this font to a better font. So let me just get a font really fast here. It's going to work for me. Yeah, I like that font. Yeah. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I want this lady to be pointing at the words that I'm going to type right here. So I want to scale this in a perspective manner. So I'll click on Control on my keyboard, then click and drag. Yeah, so that I get that shape, as you can see, that perspective shape. And I'm going to scale it up a little bit, then place it right there. Yeah, then I'm going to change the fill color to black. Then I'm going to duplicate it, alt click and drag, double click to edit. So now I'm going to type my out, so that now it's stand out. Then I'm going to change this text font for this out. Then I'm going to give it Cavalier bold. I think that is going to work for me. Then I'm going to scale it up. Oh, I don't like how the letter O is appearing on this font, so let me get another font. Let me try Agati. Agati is one of my best fonts. Yeah, I think Agati will work for me. Scale it up. I feel like I should even change the font of stand to Agati, so that there is uniformity in the fonts. Yes, yeah, like it. I'm going to scale this a little bit. Yes, something like that. Then I want to select all these and place them right here. Yeah, then the next thing, I want to give a certain gradient on my text. So I'll come to my pen tool. The shortcut to your pen tool on your keyboard is letter P. So I want just to draw something here. I want to get a shape here. Then I'm going to fill this shape with this blue. No, let me undo that. Oh, it was on the path, so I made a mistake. Let me change this to path, to shape, sorry. Then let me just make a shape here. Then I want to push it up a little bit, somewhere right there. Yeah. Somewhere there. You can use your arrow keys. And now I want to mask this color, this blue color inside this out. So hold Alt, then mask it there. Yes, that is what I wanted to achieve. As you can see, looks nice. Then now I'm going to group these two layers. I'm going to use Ctrl E, so that now that is one layer. You can rename it and type out. Press enter. Now we have that as one layer. Now we can scale that up and down the way we want it. So yeah. As you can see, our social media poster is coming up. It's coming up. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to bring in some more text, so that our poster does not look like it's lacking enough information. So your type tool, I'm going to type here contact us. I'm going to change the font color to white, and I'm just going to place it somewhere here. I'll duplicate that, alt click and drag. I want to bring in the website here, so www. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to use Aventa. Seems I do not have Aventa in my machine. Let me use Futara. It's missing too. Oh, what happened to my fonts? Let me use this font called, let me just get one randomly, because the font that was in my head, I think this can work. Yeah, yes, yeah, pretty nice. So let me take it up a little bit. I'm using my arrow keys on my keyboard. So stand out. So since it's a thing about websites, so I want to bring a screenshot of, not a screenshot, but a website mockup on a laptop or something. Yeah, so let me locate it. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so this is the website mockup. You can just place it here. Then the next thing I want to bring in is I want to type another text. So alt click and drag. I'm duplicating this, change the color to black so that it's visible. Then let me change the font. Let me change the font to Impact. Yeah. Then I'm going to type so quality responsive website designs. I'm going to scale that down, then place it there. And do a bit of alignment here. Then I feel like this is not properly placed. Yeah, somewhere there maybe. Then I'm going to give the phone number here. So let me duplicate this. Alt click and drag. Double click to edit that. So have the phone number there. I want it to have a different color. You can just align it right there. Then I want another rectangle. I want to draw a thin line here. Then you can give it white. Then you can now drag this right here. So you can see, guys, our design is coming up. Then I feel the background is too white, so I'll bring in a paper texture. So just get a paper texture. Just search on your browser. Just go to images. Yeah, I need some texture behind there. I think this can do, so just copy, and I just go back to my Photoshop and I just paste it. Then now you can scale it down, place it at the center, ensure it fits. And now I want to drag this layer below so that now it's on the background. Yeah, so immediately after this background layer you can place it there. Then now the next thing I want to do, let me check that. I want to try and give it a blend and see. So that it's not too much visible. I think multiply will do. Then now I'll have my logo had a white background, so let me try to remove that. Oh, that was bad. So instead of removing the background, let's mask it inside a path. So let me click on the rounded rectangle, change this to path. Then now I want to make a path right here. Yes, something like that. Then I'm just going to mask. Yes, yeah, that's it. And just place it. Use your arrow keys to position it right, nice like that. So I want to scale this lady up a little bit so that she's visible, and place her right there. Yes, I feel like this image that we brought in here is out of the theme, so I've just decided to do away with it. Let me scale this so that they align here. Then what else can we do? You can now spice up your design a little bit. So just come here, click on my ellipse, change the path to shape, and just click and hold while holding shift. Give it a feel, giving it that blue. Then let me blend it with the background. Let's get a nice blend. Yeah, vivid light, then I'll lower the opacity. Yes, something like that. Then you can increase the size. No, let me undo that. I think looks nice there. You can duplicate it, alt click and drag. Then now you can scale it down. Scale down while holding alt so that we do not distort it. So this is just trying to spice up the background. Then now you can change it. You can change the color, yes, something like that. Yeah, as you can see, I think our design is pretty simple and nice. You know, when designing these social media designs, I usually prefer them to be as simple as possible, so that when a client just comes across, is able to see exactly what is happening here. Then I think I should get a background that is trying to explain something about I need website design images. Yeah, I need an image that will showcase the aspect of design. this has some watermarks. Let us try and get one that just need a simple one. I think even this can do. Let me copy that, then I'm going to paste it. I'm going to scale it down. Oh, it has a black background. It was a PNG, so this will be a tricky to work with it. So let me delete it, since it has that black background. That won't work well with our design. Let's try this. This looks nice, but let me try this. Very nice. Now this is a very nice image I'm going to use here. So let me just paste it. I'm going to scale it down a little bit. And now I want to mask this image inside a certain shape. It would be nice if it had no background, but let's try if Photoshop can remove the background for us, but I doubt if it can. So that we try and get something nice, let me use my quick selection. Come to quick selection, then just click and drag. Hold Alt to delete the areas that you have selected and you do not want them. Oh, come on. Yeah, something is coming up. Zoom in as much as you can and just play along. I need to reduce my brush size. I feel it's too big, so let me reduce that to 8. I feel like below here will be a bit difficult for the legs. Let me just do away with the legs. Zoom out. Come to select, inverse, click delete on your keyboard, Control D to do away with. Yeah. So now, yeah, that looks nice. I want to drag it below this lady. Yeah. Now this is pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, guys, let me duplicate this ellipse, bring it below here, try to increase the size. Yeah. So let me place this right here at the center, and I want to bring down the website. Let me first place it here, then we bring the text up a little bit, and I'm going to bring this here, and now I'll bring in the website. But now I still feel they are not, so they're not, as in the font between these two are clashing. So let me change that font to, yeah, this is the font we used. And now I'll place this here. Check the font size here is 32 points, so I'll use the same font size here, 32. Then now I'm going to to add in my email. So yes, as you can see, and just align it at the center. Then I feel like this website also should be black, so change the font color to black. Oh come on, this thing, it's coming up, looks nice, love it. Zoom in and let me reduce this. These are just shapes to spice up the side, as in your design, to look nice. Just use your arrow, align your content, ensure alignment is key in design so that now your design looks pretty nice. So I feel the text are not stand out, then quality responsive designs, like I feel like it's the information is not well giving out the right, as in the right information. So let me try and get more informative text so that now the design, as in, makes sense, you understand? So you can say stand out from the crowd. With quality responsive website designs. Yeah, that's now making sense. At least that is making sense. Yeah, stand out from the crowd with quality responsive website design. Yeah, and I think that's it for our tutorial today, guys. So ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. Like, comment, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Be strong.